movement challenge, tiny bit, just a tiny bit, not too much. So like, the car swallowed the curb as if a whale swallowed plankton. If you like the Nürburgring, and assuming you do because you clicked on this video, go to nürburgring.com where you can find all kinds of Nürburgring licensed products co-designed by me, ranging from socks to official Nürburgring 360 roadbook co-written by me, and even Christmas sweaters, including kids collection, and many, many more Nürburgring licensed products to come. So go to nürburgring.com, which stands for Nürburgring Embassy, and become our brand ambassador. Serbian Star, yeah, 3.6, huh?
Yeah,
but not originally 3.6.
No.
So that, for people gonna ask what's up with the body. So how did the car start its life as?
Yeah, the car started its life as a 2.2.
Okay.
You know, and then about 10 years ago, I did an engine swap to 3.6. Engine, transmission.
Can we see the engine?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, you do that while I show the massive AMG discs. Fantastic. The brake system is from V12, right?
Yeah, the brake system is from SL V12.
Oh yeah.
It's a Mercedes feature.
Oh yeah. Oh nice, nice. Yeah, straight 6, 3.6. Beautiful. Fantastic. So what's the power making?
Right now it has equivalent handlers. It has a custom exhaust. It has a custom intake. It's about between somewhere 280, 300. So
what's the weight?
Between, 1.7, 1.8 tons.
Yeah, so yeah, of course.
It weighs a lot, you know. It weighs a lot.
Yeah.
And then 2 years ago, I did a transmission swap.
Okay.
Because with the AMG transmission, it is a 4-speed automatic.
Yeah.
That's going on the converter. Old style converter, and you know, when you gun it down, it takes time and time. It's it's like rubber, you know, rubber feel. Then I did the swap with a bypass clutch, and now when you shift into second gear, it goes directly onto the clutch.
Yeah.
And it's like you're driving
manual.
Yeah.
Clutch kick. Yeah, pretty much. Nice. I really like it.
Last year I did
pedal shift.
Pedal shifters.
Yeah. So this is actually a pretty cool feature. So you have pedal shifts, so you can actually use them, and they work. Teaser already done the lap with the car, so we survived. That's important bit. We have also. Do you have the keys inside? Because I want to show like this little screen. Can you tell us more about that? Like the.
Yeah, it's a custom transmission controller.
Do I need to start it or need to start it?
You just need to give it power.
Okay, there we go.
And then it starts.
Nice. So it shows temperature.
Yeah, you can show basically live data. It has even more data.
Nice.
Where you can.
Very, very cool. Very nice. What year is the car?
96.
96.
It's almost 30 years old.
30 years. Wow. So, and obviously they were made before that.
Yeah.
So and
yeah. Let me show it to you.
It's what everyone was raving about in the E92. And Mercedes had it already like 10 years before that, if not more.
Exactly.
Fantastic. Love it. Yeah, 96, and of course the technology is also like older, so probably additional 10 years on top. And everything works. It's fantastic. It's really lovely. Even has a Garmin. Yeah. Even has back seats with some stuff there. Love it, love it, love it.
Want me to drop the top down?
Oh, maybe. Yeah, sure. How does that work? Is it manual or is it electric?
It's automatic.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow! For 96, automatic top down. By the way, shout out to Mercedes Club Serbia for stopping by, for giving the opportunity. But an electric roof already like 30 years ago. So you just unlock it, and then the roof goes like, okay, I'm gonna roof myself. All extra space. Wow. Crazy.
Yeah.
Dude, that's insane. I'm actually impressed. I'm actually impressed for a 30-year-old car. Yep.
And it even has 2 usable back seats.
It kind of is. Yeah, for like, because
This is basically behind. I'm driving my two kids with their full car seats.
Yeah.
And they have more than enough room here because this one comes off.
Yeah.
When this one is in place.
Yeah.
The wind deflector.
Yeah.
You absolutely do not feel anything.
Yeah.
No wind drop, no nothing.
Yeah. Yeah.
And when I take it out, there's basically a lot of room.
Oh yeah, wow. A lot of room. Nice. Ah, you bought some shoes.
Yeah, I bought some shoes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did also some custom music and etc.
Very cool. Very cool. Oh, nice. Loved it. Loved it. Fantastic. All right. I won't hold up my dear audience before watching the lap. So you guys enjoy the lap. Thank you very much. I'll see you next year with 6.3 swap.
Absolutely.
So we'll do another lap. But so far, this was really, really nice. Have fun, have fun. Alrighty, we are on the track. We do not have any traction control or anything to worry about to switch off. I'm just waiting for our other Serbian friends behind us. Yeah, alright, so should we listen to the roar of a 3.6? I think so. Alright, kick down. It's a manual transmission, or it's a manual mode, so. 3,500, 4,000, 5,000, 6. Woo! Okay, let's close that. The noise is quite nice. Oh, that's not much better. Alright, so, of course it's by no means a track car. It's a very comfortable cruiser. The brakes from a V12 option still do their job nicely, so at least the first impression. Also, we do not have like proper, what's it called, slick tires, but yeah, for the first impression. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, let's downshift. Oh, that was nice, nice. The emotion is definitely there, just hope nothing, like it's not gonna get too much for the old lady. There's lots of wind noise coming in because it's convertible after all. You know, I like the combination of the comfort and still sportability, because this car is essentially like what, 30 years old, maybe 20 something, but technology, I mean, because they started developing the car 2 years before, sorry, 10 years sometimes before its release, thinking about the technology with what they have, so essentially close to 40 something years old. And everything still feels quite nice. Like, I definitely experienced significantly worse cars in my history of here at the Nürburgring. Something is rubbing on the front. I guess. Oh man. I don't know why it keeps on doing that. Yeah, so yeah. Quite unfortunate. So sync flap, so we can do it again. Yeah, there's the other CL came behind us. Doing 220 kilometers per hour. I don't know how much of realness this speedometer is, if it's correct, because of all the engine swaps and everything, but it's not too bad. Oh, there we have stateside supercars. The noise is very good, especially underneath the bridge. I see speedometer is trying to figure out what the hell is happening in his life, because it goes back and forth. Let's not go completely flat out through the bottom of compression, because you might never know. There's also some faster traffic behind us catching up to give them a bit of space with our big barge on the C-Class. So I'm feeling that something is not 100% on the front left, but the right side is okay of the car, but the left side feels a bit off. Indicator on, quick glimpse in the mirror, the car is next to us, we're looking up ahead. Never look in the mirror, where's the car, because the track goes to the left and you might end up going off the track, so always be cautious. downshift at third. What the car could definitely benefit from, aside from good stickier tires and better suspension, is actually quicker steering rack, because now we need to steer quite a lot for relatively small steering inputs. For the rest, you know, again, considering the fact that it's by no means a track car, it's not a track car, it's a daily cruiser, I'm really surprised and impressed. Stuttgart German engineering from back in the days when you had all the sound inside the cabin, you had all the engineering that could last and survive throughout the years. Really impressed, really happy. There's the Cayman. Can we pass it? Oh yes. So the car doesn't like to downshift like always, so you really need to be like at 3000 RPM, then it would allow you to downshift, because otherwise it wouldn't. But sometimes even 4000 RPM is a bit too much, so that's the only downside, like the gearbox calibration. I want to give also another 3.5. I really want the car to downshift. Nope. And now we are like really we have horrible rev bend now. We're really out of the momentum. What I wanted to say is I really, we can pass. You can go. I really love those dials of Mercedes. It reminds me of Need for Speed before Porsche 2000s. Not Unleashed. Maybe it's not Unleashed. Before that, we had also Mercedes CLK GTR, like the end of 90s. Maybe some 90s kids can remind me of those. Curve going quite well. Not ideal corner entry because we had the Civic there chilling. Could have gone faster, but overall, I'm again really happy with how the car and chassis perform. What's the weight of this? It must be over 2 tons or close to 2 tons. Oh yeah, there we go, downshift. Alright. 845. I think I'm driving that car next. But still, what is that? What is this? Is that a Prelude? No. What? Where is it? Am I correct? Is that like for the previous gen Prelude? Downshift, power. Who are you? You are indeed Prelude. Fantastic car, beautiful. And it sounds lovely as well. So I drove previously one, but I think it was like the newer gen, 1997 I think that car was. So this is obviously even older. Fantastic shapes, beautiful sound. What else would you want from a car? Basically like this. All the 90s cars are amazing. 90s and 2000s. Really, really love. Alright, should we do a bit of Nürburgring challenge? Tiny bit, just a tiny bit, not too much. So like, the car swallowed the curb as if a whale swallowed plankton. Hope you got the reference. So, you know, whale. What do we have here? It's quite big. Missed the apex a bit. I really wanted the downshift so people at Brunchen could hear the car really roar, but it doesn't allow us to. That's really sadness. But yeah, at least the owner is going to be swapping 6.3 next year. So with that in regards, maybe they can do another tour at the Nürburgring, off the Nürburgring. Come back next year and we can do a lap of this 6.3 swap. Woo. Yeah, no, I'm happy. Should I be quiet for a bit? Yeah. Let's do the last few corners. I can shut up so you guys enjoy. track car. So you need to judge the book according to its purpose and the scenario it's written for, not by its cover. And if we judge the book by its cover, it looks freaking awesome, sounds awesome, so this is an awesome car. And this is also essentially what it is. Oh, we start getting some rain. There was no rain predicted, but somehow it's Eiffel, so it ends up raining. Oh, did someone re-rent someone there on a public road? Interesting. I loved it. Because if you don't floor it, the car is super comfortable. It swallows all the curbstones, all bumps. But when you want it to steer, the delay is really not bad in that regard. Hello? Yeah, okay. The steering is quite direct. I mean, it's by no means like any track car, but it's direct for what it is. I really loved it. Again, great swap, enough braking power because the brakes survived the whole time. Everything is good. You know what else to say? Hope you guys enjoyed as well. So, on to next year's lap with a 6.3 hopefully. See you then.